Today you made a presentation about the financial market, the ongoing trends and future possibilities. Would you like to tell us, are the markets stable for new investors right now?
Well, I can never say anything is stable. What I can say is we're looking a lot at strong underlying fundamentals in the stock market. We have unemployment at record low rates at 3.7%. Hasn't been that low since 1968. You have wage growth improving, slowly but improving, and with this most recent dip in October, you have assets that are a little more attractively priced to get in right now. There's a lot of headwinds facing the market with tariffs coming from the Trump administration and China retaliating. So, of course, right now it is a little shaky to invest in emerging markets, but overall, I think the stock market is still fundamentally very intact.
And there is also a talk of a kind of recession in some quarters. What factors would play a role in that? If the U.S. is to stave off any prospects of another recession setting in?
Sure. There's a number of indicators that we look at for as recessionary things that we would worry about. One of them, obviously, being unemployment. What are you looking at as far as wage growth? Is the U.S. dollar strengthening or weakening too fast? What's inflation looking at? And right now, inflation has remained very stable, and that's also been indicated by the Federal Reserve continuing to raise the short end of the curve. So we're looking at December. The probability, I believe, is at 98% to raise rates again, with another 4 in 2019. So yes, there are recessionary risks out there, but right now, all indicators are pretty much pointing that the economy has room to run.
And the international trade war and the upcoming elections, will they also factor into the future scenario?
They do factor in, but I'm a long-term investor. I always try to encourage people to have a long-term view on their investments. So if you stop thinking in the short term of 3, 6 months to even a year and start saying, I'm investing in this company for 5, 10, 15 years, that would drastically change your perspective on what you think is good and not good. So yes, there are headwinds that face areas of the market, like I said, emerging market stocks. There could be short-term headwinds to commodities, specifically agriculture, livestock, dairy, and things like that. But these things have a way of sorting themselves out, and long-term, I think all of those midterm elections, any tariffs with China will eventually come to a peaceful resolution and have the stock market propel forward.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.